Hi, it's the Model TV again. So take a look at this beautiful turban face cap. Yes, that's how they call it, turban face cap. The tutorial video for this design is currently trending on seller at 25,000 naira. But here we are, I'm sharing it with you free of charge. So take the chances and learn this now because it's trending. Before you know it, your customers will start asking for this particular design. So make good use of this tutorial session. It's detailed and short. So watch it till the end to see how we start and how it ends. Like and share this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you feel that this adds value to you. So the main material for this design is your cardboard, straw board rather, or macro. It depends on which one you love to use. I first of all carved out the shape of a face cap on macro. So here is it. Okay, you can as well use a face cap like this to draw the shape, then you cut it. It's simple. Of course, you need something to use to get what you want. So you place your carved shape or your face cap on the cardboard or the macro, depending on which one you're using. Why I didn't use macro is because the material I'm using is very light, so I felt it will not go well, so I rather went for this straw board. Okay, this straw board you can get it in Millinery shop as well as the macro. So this is the major material for this design. Then you use your fabric to cover it. Most suitable fabric will be your maybe Mikado, bridal satin, or even Ankara. It depends on what you want and how you want it. But the material I'm using in this video is kind of light, so I'll have to line it. Why? I'm obsessed with animal skin. So I just wanted to use the one I have and make something unique. Okay, so this measurement now from the top or the tip of the face cap to where you make the joining of the fabric, is 4 inches. Okay, that is the center, while the side is 5 inch. As you can see, the cutting lowers down while the edges are longer. I don't know if you understand. So I have already used the shape of that macro to cut my fabric. Remember, when you're doing your own, ensure you put excess. This is my first time trying out this design and I just decided to share. So I discovered you can use gum to do this, like to work on the face cap itself. You can use gum to, cover the fabric. Depends on what you want. You can as well sew it up and push the cardboard in. You sew it neatly. So I'll be sharing the two patterns with you. So do well to like and share this video. Also, if you've not subscribed to the Model TV, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on all notification, because yours truly always will always share trending and insightful videos, so you don't miss it. Subscribe now. So as you can see, I have sprayed my gum on the cardboard, then on the other end, and I will do it on the upper surface as well. One thing you should know about using gum is that if you're using straw board, it can soften the straw board and you don't want that, so you have to be careful when you're using gum and the type of gum that you're using. Okay, it shouldn't be one that will make your straw board to be soft. If it is, you just use a little and that will be enough. But preferably sewing is okay. Well, it depends on you, but I think I like sewing. So after now, I'll go and sew my thing so that I'll be sure of what I'm doing. So this is how it's gonna look like. You cover both ends perfectly and neatly. Okay, when you're cutting your fabric, ensure to put excess. At the beginning I didn't have enough excess, but I'll still have to trim the cardboard so that the fabric will have an excess for me to sew. So as I was trying to do this, I discovered I bought a fake gum. See, it just poured and it looks like water, and it's painful, but thank God I'm going to do my sewing. I will not depend on this gum. I don't trust it. Like, share, and subscribe to the Model TV, and slide in to watch other videos on my channel on trending designs, especially for this year. I've shared some videos on trending designs, trending fascinator hats and turban design, so don't miss it. So now let's start as sewing. Remember I said I'll be using leopard skin material. Since it is very transparent, very light, I had to use a black material inside first. Okay, so this is me sewing the leopard skin material, which I've cut. I cut it using the shape of the face cap. Okay, that's what I used to cut this, because they have to match, you know. So let's sew. You sew this carefully and neatly. Yes, this is very important. For this particular design, you have to make it neat and clean. Okay, so while you are sewing, I prefer sewing, like I said earlier. It will allow you do everything neatly compared to gum. Okay, if you're not careful with gum, you may end up having some stains or twists. Okay, so sewing is preferred here. So you turn, remember where I'm sewing is the back side, so I'll flip it over to have the smooth side, and I will also iron it. Remember, you always iron your fabric to have that seamless um neat work. Okay, I'm turning it now. Take a look. This is how it looks like. I'll cut the little excess because I don't want it to puff. So here it goes. You just turn it like I said earlier, and then you push in your cardboard. Okay, assuming you were using a bridal satin, that would have been all for now, but since I'm using a light material, I had to line it first. So I'll be going over to attach the main head tie, the main turban or head wrap, depending on what you call it, to this face cap. So I had to use my safety pin and hold the edges because I don't want to miss anything. Okay, but if you can do it without using safety pin, in fact, if you are using a hard material, you won't have any strays. There will be no need for this. Okay, because this material is slippery, kind of very light, and I need to pin it down. Okay, so after taking your time to pin it, and you've ensured that everywhere is smooth, nothing is flipping out, no excesses, you must be sure that you sew the fabric to fit the face cap such that there will be no excess, kind of like overlapping, you know, all those kind of things. So this is it now. I'll go over to do the sewing. Okay, the attachment. Okay, see the face cap and the head wrap on the table. So I'll just attach it to this other part. Here is the head wrap, my head tie. Okay. Okay, so now we are over here again to do the attachment. If you are a creative, you can make wonders out of this particular design. Play with it and do magic with your own design. I would love to see your design. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. You know, that will give me some kind of encouragement to do more. So if you will be trying this out, leave a comment for me in the comment section. Remember, I specifically told you at the beginning of this video that this tutorial video is trending on Seller. Yes, some milliners have shared it on Seller, and the price is 25,000 to download the tutorial video and see how to make this design and other wonderful designs. But I'll be sharing them one after the other on this channel. So if you've not subscribed, try and subscribe now so that you won't miss it. I'll also first of all share the different designs so that you can choose which one you want us to try first. Okay, so this is how the attachment is being done neatly. You have to make sure that you finish this neatly, both the back and the front. You know, some people may want to turn it upside down and wear, so ensure that you do it neatly as both sides. If you have issues doing neat sewing, after sewing like this, you can use a bias strip to pipe it using gum. That will also save you well. Like I said, this is it. It's simple, but it's unique and beautiful. Let me hear from you in the comment section what you feel about this design. Does it make sense? Do you like it? Will you try it out? So it's the Model TV. See you in my next tutorial video.